Hello students, today's topic is estimating the cost of tractor power. Estimating the cost of tractor power, in this the cost of operation of tractor is divided under two heads known as fixed cost and operating cost. Fixed cost means what? Fixed cost means in that cost we will include depreciation, interest on capital, housing, insurance, taxes, operating cost, includes fuel cost, lubricant cost, repair and maintenance and wages. Now listen, fixed cost means what? When we are purchasing anything, means vehicle. For example, you purchase the tractor. Then for tractor there is a depreciation. Depreciation means what? Loss of value of machine as the time passes. Then again we are having interest on the capital investment, means for example the cost of tractor is of 6 lakh rupees. Then you have taken the loan and the interest is there for that loan, and it should be taken into consideration while calculating the fixed cost. Housing means what? We are parking the tractor under the shade and there is a cost for that land, and that land cost depends on the locality. It will varies with the locality. That's why the housing cost is also included in fixed cost. Then insurance. You know that when we are purchasing any vehicle, there is insurance of that. We are paying that insurance actually to the company. That is insurance. It is taken under fixed cost. Then taxes. If we are having four-wheeler, tractor or anything, then we are paying tax to government. That tax is also included in fixed cost. Then operating cost. Operating means we are operating the tractor and for that there is a need of fuel. That's why the fuel cost is taken into consideration under operating cost, not under fixed cost. Under fixed cost only depreciation, interest, housing, insurance and taxes. And under operating cost, fuel cost. Then again there is a need of lubricants. There is a need of repair and maintenance of tractor. Then wages. Wages means what? There is an operator for tractor to tractor, and the wages means the daily wages of the driver. It should be under operating cost. Then fixed cost, in that depreciation, it is the loss of value of machine with the passing of time, and for calculation of that fixed cost per hour there is a formula. What is that formula? D means depreciation per hour equal to C minus S divided by L multiplied by H, where D is depreciation per hour, C is capital investment, S is salvage value. Salvage value means it is the loss of machine as the time passes, and it should be taken as 10% of the capital. You also call this as a junk value. Salvage value also called as a junk value. It is the 10% of the capital investment. Then H is the number of working hour of the tractor. Then L is the life of machine. Life of machine, you should take that life of machine as a 10 years. Then second part is interest. Interest is calculated on the average investment of the machine taken into consideration, the value of the machine in first and last year. For that there is a formula for calculation. I equal to C plus S divided by 2 multiplied by I upon H, where I is interest per hour and small I is percent rate of interest per year. Then housing cost, actually housing cost depends on the locality, on the basis of the prevailing rates of the locality, but roughly speaking the housing cost may be taken as 1% of the initial cost of the machine per year. Then insurance charge is taken on the basis of actual payment to the insurance company, but roughly speaking it may be taken as 1% of initial cost of the machine per year. Then taxes. Taxes are actually calculated on the basis of actual taxes paid per year, but roughly speaking it may be taken as 1% of initial cost of the machine per year. Means housing, insurance and taxes. These three are 1% of the initial cost of the machine per year. Okay. Then operating cost. In operating cost, first is fuel cost, means actual fuel which is used per hour. It is the fuel cost. Fuel cost is calculated on the basis of actual fuel consumption in the tractor per hour. Then lubricant. Now for that there is a rough assumption. Charges of lubricant should be calculated on the actual consumption, but roughly speaking the lubricant cost varies from 30 to 35% of the fuel cost. Remember this part. Lubricant should be 30 to 35% of the fuel cost. Then repair and maintenance. Actual repair and maintenance cost is there, but here cost of repair and maintenance varies between 5 to 10% of the initial cost. Again remember this, repair and maintenance should be 5 to 10% of the initial cost of the machine per year. Wages. Wages are calculated on the basis of actual wages of the worker, means driver. What are the wages are there per day? Thank you.